Hey everybody, Dan here with Thin Feather for Outfitters. Today we're looking at a Heritage Manufacturing Rough Rider called the Black Pearl, and that's because of the grips. Very cool revolver, obviously a very long barrel revolver. If you are into budget firearms, you can't do much better than the Heritage Manufacturing Rough Rider. We're going to talk about it. We're going to get into the features, the price. Let's do it. The Heritage Rough Rider is very low cost. The MSRP on this is $165. Pick it up for $139 at the Fin. But this is called the Black Pearl because it has this very cool grip made by Altamont. Now, if you know Altamont grips, you know that they make some beauties. And they work a lot with Taurus and Heritage and Rossi. So they make some beautiful grips. They make this model here, which is the Rough Rider 6.5 in several different color schemes and grip patterns. And if you look at those, they're all real cool. This one's cool too, though. I think that looks cool with that black grip with swashes of gray throughout. Altamont quality grip maker. It's a 6-shot 22 long rifle revolver that is single action only. It's a Cowboy action revolver. And what that means is that it has a loading gate and an ejector. I move that to half cock, and you can see I eject the shells one at a time. And that's Cowboy action. That's what they refer to. If you hear something called Cowboy action, that means it has this loading gate. And the insertion of the rounds and the ejection of the rounds are just as such. But anyhow, it's a cool revolver, 6.5 inches. That's no joke. And the 22 long rifle. That's why it's a good training tool. It is easy to shoot, low recoil with that long 6.5 inch barrel. Extremely accurate, single action only. So you cock that hammer back and fire away. The Heritage revolvers have a lock on here, and what that does is right now it is not engaged. You can see right there the firing pin where the hammer strikes. If I put this upward, there's a block in there. See that block right underneath the firing pin? All right, now once pulled, you can see there's a gap. It will not make contact with the firing pin. All right. And then you push it, well, I think it has to be down here. There you go. Push it backward. All right. And then it will make contact, obviously. So that's off. So if it's down, it's off. If it's up, the safety is on. But it's a good looking revolver. No doubt about that. Now, the sight system has a tunnel in the rear, a front blade or hump, and you sink that in there for your shooting experience. Very low recoil. It has some weight behind it. Okay, it's well built. Heritage makes it nice and easy to remove the cylinder, either swap it for another one, 22 WMR, or if it's like this and it only has the 22 long rifle, then just remove it and clean the revolver. I have it in safe mode. I'm going to take this lever, push it downward, and take the cylinder rod and move it out. Just like that. This can be removed. Okay, I could just pull it all the way out. Open up the loading gate, and out comes the cylinder. All right, and you can see the 6 chambers in there. The timing hand, and we look at the internals here. Nice revolver. Has everything you want. All right, and you just cleaned it up. And to put it back in, you're just going to slide it in there, close the loading gate. I find it easiest to align, to just work that hammer a little bit to get it to lock into place. Put the cylinder rod in there and then push that button, and there you go. To move the cylinder, you put it in half cock and you just move it one at a time, just like that. And then disengage the safety and drop that hammer. Let's check out that trigger. As I mentioned, single action only. not bad. It's a little on the heavy side. Okay, it's not a double action revolver, it's a single action, so it's a little on the heavy side. But here's a look at the other end. Here's your ejector. There's your lever to push those cases out. Here's the loading gate. Easy to operate revolver. And if you're into single action, if you're into budget revolvers, this would be a very nice choice. And like I said, they have many different grip patterns. They even have one with the American flag on there, some Cerakote. Price goes up a little bit, but not too much. It's hard to find a Heritage revolver with an MSRP over 200 bucks. I think this is cool. It's got this 6.5-inch barrel, altamont grips, 6 rounds, single action only, Heritage. They did a great job. Once again, Dan here with Fin Feather for Outfitters. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.